Hi, I'm Kelly. I'm a midwife here in Auckland, New Zealand, and I've been practicing now for over 16 years. I've noticed recently, in the last few years, there's been a lot of goings on with social media about what to do when you're pregnant, how to look after your baby, what to bring to a hospital, and I want to look into that a little bit more. I'm intrigued what's out there, what you can purchase, what you don't need to purchase. So I'm going to be doing some tutorials, some teaching, seeing what's out there, seeing why people do what they do, but I'm going to go back to basics. I want to stop complicating everything that we see on social media. What I want to do is bring my experience, my knowledge to this channel. For student midwives, this could be a good place to just have a look and see what maybe is being said and what's current at the moment. For midwives, it could be a teaching tool. So I hope you enjoy what I'm going to put on the space. So I got into midwifery because my personal journey was pretty tough having my girls. I wanted to help. I got into midwifery when I moved to New Zealand, and I wanted to try and do something that I thought I'd never be able to do. And I absolutely love helping and being with women and giving my experiences that women have taught me. The reason why I've decided to do YouTube videos is I'm a visual learner. That's how I learnt when I was a mature student at AUT. I am severely dyslexic. I enjoy teaching when I'm on the wards with students. I love being around and giving my knowledge back to other people, whether that's a student, a new grad midwife, women that are struggling on the ward, women that just want to have a chat, and women teach me. They give me tips that I can then use and remember to help someone else. So YouTube is a good tool for me because I want to show visual content on teaching, and I hope you enjoy that. My girls, as I said, are older. I never had to worry about social media for content on how to raise my kids. Just got on with it. So they haven't given me grandbabies, so I'd like to introduce Ashley. She isn't real. She does look real. She does breathe, but she is going to be my helper for my teaching demos. So enjoy. Please remember, it's a teaching tool of what's current and what's going on at the moment. So if you're looking for medical advice, this isn't the place to be. You always must seek your medical information from your current midwife, your GP, your obstetric team, whoever is looking after you. I would love to hear some comments on what I've just shown, or something you would like to see me do and maybe have a look at. Please put a comment in the page. This is a safe space, so please be kind to what you put in there. Other people will read. I am trying to show some teaching skills. This isn't for negative comments about midwifery. I just want to enjoy what I have to give. Press that like button if you have. If you'd like to see more, press the subscribe button. This is a safe space, but please leave comments below. See you next time.